first things first, let's hear what the blow-off valve sounds like. So now that we got that out of the way, this is the blow-off valve you heard, CX Racing. Came with my intercooler kit. I used that in HKS blow-off valve. But the reason for this video is I wanted to do a blow-off valve block-off, and here's some turbo flutter, and record it so you guys can hear it too. And get to making my block-off. So here I got the block-off plate I made right next to my blow-off valve. I'm going to install that so you guys can hear what that sounds like. And here we got the blow-off valve block-off plate, and I got the thing blocked off. Here's the blow-off valve that I took off. Got it all installed. Now let's see what it sounds like. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did.